Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Beautiful, you know, if you watch my videos, how much I love Tesla Model S's. It's all I really like to drive now. Beautiful 23 with the FSD3 architecture. Car is just exceptionally nice. I'll walk around, let you take a look at it. White on white. Pretty hard to find interior. Beautiful car. I just took my grandkids to Florida in this car for the weekend. Drives exceptionally well. Full self-driving, works perfectly. It drove me all the way to Destin and back. No interventions at all. FSD3 still doesn't park itself very well like FSD4, but as far as driving you anywhere you want to go, it's just absolutely amazing. Love the diamond white. It's got the upgraded 21-inch wheel package, which really makes this car look good. Have it priced at $52,900. Includes all our dealer fees. We're not going to add anything to that other than your tax, tag, title, and licensing fees from the state. There it is, guys. It's got about 45,000 miles on it. It's going to have a few more miles on it every day because it is the one I'm driving. But give me a call anytime. Mike Stout on my cell, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.